Hey guys, welcome back to the stream. Hey guys, hey everyone. Hey Geometry, welcome back, bro. How are you doing, man? Hey, hi, that's fake bye. Welcome back, bro. How are you doing? How are you doing, guys? Okay. Why did you change your name? Echo's a good one. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the stream. Hey, hi, Socio, Bricks. Welcome back, bro. Welcome everyone. Hey, hi, Paul. Welcome back, bro. No, it's all up to you, man. Whatever you want, whatever you like, you can just do that. You don't have to think about most of other people's. Thank you, man. Thank you, Social Bricks. Bro, Social Bricks. What's your name, bro? By the way, your cam is flashing or something. Is it? Is it not looking good, guys? No, man, no. I just had my dinner, so that's something I think I did it change something from yesterday. So I today had a dinner early, so I don't how to get feeling. I don't want to have I don't want to have that like a strawing feeling. So, but nothing, guys, nothing. It's just something I just want to only focus on my work and things. So welcome back, guys, again. How are you doing, guys, by the way? Pixels glitching. Yeah, man, forget about the cam, man. You really want me to look? You really think? I mean, whatever is that cam, man? I don't. Okay, so I just remove the cam, bro. If it is affecting you guys for quality, I will just remove that cam. And now I'm like a ghost. I'm like now a ghost. So you're hearing a sound from like a ghost. Yeah, Menzo. Yeah, bro. I'm yes. Are you in India, bro? I'm I'm not in India. I am not in India. I'm outside of the India, working from. I'm living in Netherlands, bro. Don't remove the cam. We want to see face. Yeah, but you said that you complain about the quality and all. What I can do? I don't want you to have the the. I don't want you to think about it that way. I like to hurt you. I don't want to hurt you guys. So that's why I just turn off my camera. Okay. Okay, I'm back. I'm back with my low quality and with this animation or effect on my t-shirt with a flickering. But guys, I will in future I will gonna buy some camera or I mean the nice camera and yeah, yeah, but not now because I think more important is that the what I'm working, what I'm doing, and how I'm helping more people instead of how I'm looking at the how I'm looking nice in the camera, right? So we can just simply quickly start our projects. No, not Google. Anti-gravity. So how are you doing, guys? By the way, it doesn't matter. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to stream, and let's we can and let's guys continue on our project. That's something is more important than anything else. And it doesn't matter if you have low quality or high. We will compromise over. Okay, okay, man. Okay, thank you, thank you. And let me just get my cloud back and the history as well. Not today as well, man. Only project review is only going to happening on weekends, guys. So yeah, we're gonna just gonna talk about something, you guys, if you want, and then we can. For now, we will just work on projects. Hey, hi, Mr. Williams. Hey, Arpit. Um, hey, Mahal. Hi, hi everyone, guys. Are you sick? Not feeling well? No, 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 no. I'm just have some back pain, guys. So I just have some back pain, nothing else. Yeah, that's why I'm not doing like long streams as well, as I'm also a little bit tired from the work as well. I have a lot of work, man. Bro, create dating app. Let's see, man. Yesterday I was actually start working on one of the application. So no, forget about that, man. The count is not more important. I think what I'm working on it. So if people really like that, they will subscribe it. We don't have to showcase at the moment. I will reveal that once I have something have improvement. So I think that's not something. Yeah, just forget about that, Mahal bhai, because that's not more something important. And to motivate people, I think my what I'm doing it right now here. Um, That's more important. So forget about the topic, guys. Let's if you guys have any technical questions or something, if you're building any application or what, I'm happy to see that. Happy to we can talk about that. But let's continue on our project, guys. That's something we can continue. Okay, so let me just start the project. As you already know that yesterday we are actually working on this website builder application, and this is the one the application or the platform what we are working on. And as you can see, we have to actually we are also I'm also changing something yesterday. Okay, all updated reflect Instagram. No, bro, I'm not using that much. I don't have much, I don't like that much. So no, because that's not too productive stuff, man, on Instagram. If you're learning something in Instagram, or if you're spending something nice time, then it's good, right? I'm building a page builder in Nextly. It's been 6 weeks and I'll hardly build the canvas till now. Okay, I'm on a whole different approach. We'll let you know once it's finished. Okay, come on, bro. Come on. Good going, man. Keep it working on, man. Mobin bhai, and I'll love to see that, man. Once you're done, just send me Discord. Okay, so all updated the reflect what actually shipped versus still deliberately calendar. I mean, okay, then. start building, which is not yet shipped. Hey Norix, how are you, man? How are you doing? How's going, guys? Welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome to the stream. Bro, today I'm already working on my website builder. So, yeah. So, yeah, this is the one I'm actually building, the website builder, as you can see. And the name of the website builder is Aura. I gave like a new name for the website builder called Aura. Possibly how I don't know how it sounds like. It's good. I think it's a little bit different name, right? I don't know if already exists or, but it's not something like the final name. Possibly I will change in future. Okay. Thank you, Norix. Thank you, man. That means a lot to me. Yeah, man. But will you able to get the domain? Man, honestly, you know about my ship domain, right? So you have to find the ways that how you can get a domain. So and honestly, one thing is really important. See, domain is not everything. Your product is really important. If your product also really useful to the people and it can create a value, the domain can automatically earn the value. So doesn't matter whatever, you can just write abcd aura.com, and if that's really creating a value, domain automatically got viral and people typing it and they're finding it by themselves. Same like a perplexity, I'm not able to pronounce that name properly, but now it's like almost $20 billion business, bro. Man, perplexity, man, this is still I'm not able to pronounce that name, but it's it's a $20 billion business right now. It's only came like a 4 years back or 3 years back. So I don't think so name is like a problem. But it's good to we can find something nice name or something. It's always good, right? But something should be one word, not something really big words. One word also good one. Okay, so now it's skill one. Continuing on that. Yesterday I was also looking for. Hmm, where is my ChatGPT? My brainstorming friend, ChatGPT. Welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome to the stream. One word not possible. Four character. Uh, probably already registered with all extension. Possibly. Yeah, one word with like a big one word as well, right? Not like a really short one. Because why? When I was looking for ship it, it's really expensive word in the domain market. So I think, and then I was looking for, okay, but I want to have ship it on my domain in the start. So then I looking for, okay, I found hq.com is available, ship it HQ. So I was like, okay, let's go for a ship it HQ, right? Yeah. So why not? And people, and it's just matter of time. Once you have a good traffic, then automatically ship it HQ is become a ship it, right? Every day when you start stream, make a plan for every day. I actually used to do it, bro. The plan for it, because I have a whiteboard. Before I have a whiteboard as well, and I'm using that as well to create a task list or something. You know what I was thinking, I'm whatever the things I'm working on. Let me change the where I can see preference theme dark. Yes, you used to use teal draw. Keep using it. Yeah. I like the teal draw, bro. This is good. Uh, goal for today, and I will give a date 19 0 2026. Goal for today. Okay, I think this is something nice, right? And then we can start writing, improve the element left panel. What else we can do? Add more elements. So with now add elements, fix, drag and drop elements. Issue. What else we can do? Yeah, I need to reface this one, like restructure it. The left panel. Yeah, I already included this one. What I can say, right side is it looks more nice. It's fine. I'm fine with the right side. But like this one on the header, like this menu, like a top menu bar, I think I need to little bit improve the changes. Like for example, this is okay, but this is also okay here. 20 hours saved. Undo, redo. Yeah, whenever it's taking too much of time to load, it's not live. Uh, whenever uh, user make any changes on canvas, it's complete page. It should be should be uh, real time. I don't know what I can call real time. For example, I have this one on my SideCraft, like if you just click on it, you just finish it and done. For example, you change something here, it just refresh this complete page. See, now it's completely refreshed it. But inline editing is there, I guess, but when you actually change something here on the right menu, inline editing, like a right menu, as you can see, right panel, and you change something, okay, to arc, it's completely refresh the page. So I can write something like real time or inline editing or changes on canvas or left panel or right panel. When I change something on sidebar, oh, right panel, left panel, I'm calling it like a panels, by the way. Panel, it's loading complete page. It's reloading, actually, I can say reloading complete page to save the changes. Oh, where is that? So should be real time editing. Yeah, something like that, but I already write it down, like I think it's more helpful. So that's something I'm just trying to identify issues, then I'm gonna actually fix in that way as well. um, First, I need to update this right left panel, man. Honestly, I hate that left panel. By the way, I mean this is not too organized. By the way, yes, it's like it just like this. It's a navigation. It says navigation, and there is a uh, shows move down, move up. There is an option there you can change, but or you can duplicate. But I don't want these options here. Either using a user state Redux context API. Not sure what are you using. Okay. Technical term for this is state management. Okay. Yeah, if you're sending big messages, it will delete your message, man. Either using a user state, use state, context API. Not sure. Yeah, the state management. I will also write it down like a state management or a state management. Yeah. I think AI is more enough. AI is more smarter, guys. We don't have to actually think in that way, right? AI is enough smarter in that way. So we don't have to in that much. Yeah, update component state instead of reloading whole canvas. Yeah, I think I given some more already information, and we'll definitely find out how we can fix it. But let's see. I think I should also create some uh, my own plugin, by the way. Add create a plugin. You can also add create a plugin. Help me to create a plugin. Help me to create a plugin to whenever user paste the screenshot, uh, user paste, not paste, share the issue while working on app development, app, web app, software development, and getting some errors or trying. Yeah. Actually, I already trying to use that expression, but it doesn't work like that because I also have some limitations on my platform, right? Like the way of my platform is working. So I have to be careful with that. Otherwise, it will completely change my platform layout and the functions, how it's work. Because we cannot just copy paste, right? We have to integrate or we have to learn from that and get some inspiration, and we have to implement like that, but not like just copy. We can copy paste, right? Development and getting some errors, trying to fix or time implement new feature or user share screenshot of the uh, error or something for inspiration to use that in own plan to implement plugin should be more focused on this stuff requests and not like creating complete big prompt but more specific to the request and user can use that prompt to fix or implement in home software app, web app, software. Let's see what is can be built. Yeah, what is continue? What I can say? Plugin skill provider link, local skill file, work mode is right environment to inspect that file or build up plugin artifact. Okay, let me try work mode. No, I don't want to. I don't have limit for that. But you can say okay. Let me go back to this one. Hey, hi. Yeah, hi, Sanket. Sanket भाऊ, कसे आहात? बरे आहे का? How are you doing, man? So, also have another application is I'm working on in the Google. By the way, let me just turn it on first. Google AI Studio. Yeah, all well. Okay. Good to hear, man. Good to hear. So yesterday it was not working properly. It's not loading properly the application. So today it's fixed, by the way. I also worked on little bit on this one. So while I was traveling back to the home in the train, I worked on little bit on this application. And this is also one of the target for today. Two targets, by the way. Let's see if we can go do that. Uh, Website builder and another is that AI subscription manager. Azure app, mobile app, and fix connect the Supabase for database and not fix AI response with for AI feature. And also what else we want? This is app, guys. This is how it's looking right now. And also with the fix some UI stuff, UI as well. Come to some perform end-to-end testing. So let's see. I have some two targets for today. For AI subscription app, manager app, I have one work, and Aura website builder also. There is some lot of task. There will be should be there is a lot of task for that, but we cannot do it everything on the same time, right? So while this is working, we can also work on this application, because I mentioned you yesterday as well. I want to launch one application on Play Store, but I want to actually make oh yeah, I remember. Okay, let me uh, use logo API and use real logos, real brand logos. So I will do that quickly, guys. If you want to see how you can use the real logos, so there is a logo API, free logo API, guys. Logo.dev. This is offering you free logo, and you can use the real logos on your platform, which is giving you like a real branding, or I can say more authentic touch to your application if you're using real logos. So this is completely for, I mean, yeah, this is free as well. With their free one, you get like a display up to 5 lakhs logos, and up to and 100 brands retire, no community or something, brand searches or something. So what we can do, we can use the logos API. Like once the user added it, it will store that logo as in a local storage, and then we don't have to use all the time call the logo API, and we don't have to um, we don't need that then that much. So let me quickly log in as well. Is this one right? Logo.dev or something else? Uh, yeah, this is the one I wanted, because I want to give like a real touch. I want to use this account. It will be nice. And I'm gonna use API key. Okay, I wanna tell it that. Okay, where is my music? Give me a second, guys. I'm trying to implement real logos. Have you ever used or have you ever implemented real logos in your applications? Use this to use real brands logos in the application, and use API for that. So start implementation, and let me know and let me know when you need actions from my end. Okay, so I want to actually add a logos into this one. So right now we are using just like some demo data. This is all demo data, right? And this is right now stores on the locally on a laptop or on the local device. All the data. It's not something on Supabase or somewhere, but I want to add it as well. Let's do one by one. Okay, three of the five different items are now built and work. Five relevant look hide. Okay, dragging. Okay, sometimes we have to cross that boundary, man, to do something. So as you can see, guys, we are building a website builder, which is the called Aura, and yeah, and another thing, I'm building AI subscription manager mobile application, as you can see through Google AI Studio, which is also I found really good at least for the mobile application. And I want to launch that application as once we will finish the building, and definitely we will see that if we can also earn something from this application once we launch it, because this is gonna be a really nice application. And I already finalized what will be the monetization model and all. Um, no, forget about this. So no, this is all done. Okay, I will tell you guys later on. Let me now. This is still working on. This is little bit. I mean, I know this is kind of a slow, I guess. Not slow. It's already using extra high, bro. So Docker. Why don't you use Docker? But for what? For a database? I don't want to run the database on. I don't want to have like a complete my own server and everything. But what? I mean, for what do you want me to use a data Docker? And for Docker, you need to run that Docker on your laptop. And if you want to do it on laptop, but also you can get some server and something you can run on that server. But that's extra workload, extra hectic thing that we have to keep maintain a server and all the stuff and all the configuration and all. I don't find it useful at this moment when we have really small thing, or I think it's good that when you're gonna launch it, like expand it to next level, and when you're going to have a lot of users, then you have to think about how you can cut the cost cutting, right? And then you can, I think, also um, you can use a Docker, or you can host your own server, SQL server, or like a PostgreSQL or something like that. And then you can save a lot of cost. Then you don't have to use Supabase for that matter. But at this moment, I think Supabase is the easy solution right now to complete the MVP and make it like make the working application, you know. So that's something I was planning. I'm planning. So as you can see, guys, this is the application. You can just trying to. Now it will going to ask me a API key. Definitely should ask me API key. But anyway, no worries. So while developing, you get Supabase experience. Yeah. While developing since last 2 years, I'm using Supabase, and Supabase is good, man. Honestly, and honestly, because of you getting something, I never paid anything to Supabase yet, uh, because I don't have any big project running on like a public now, but I'll have like a Shipit is running on that Supabase as well. So possibly once we have like everyday requests, like more than 10,000 requests every day, or more than 1 lakh requests something every day or every hour, then definitely I have to think about a big solution, right? But right now at the moment we don't have that much traffic, and the free it's working. But possibly I will still go with the premium subscription of Supabase initially, but not like initially I'm gonna look for big server and all, which I can also do it myself. I'm also experienced person for server management, cloud management. I can host a server on Azure, I'm a Azure administrator as well, 104 certified administrator, so I can do that. Honestly, you know, to answer your question, Ronak bhai, to to this one, I don't say like you need to actually spend money as well, definitely, if you want to make a money as well. So, but I will start also, because I will use my own YouTube channel definitely for marketing, but not just that only. I will also gonna start also reaching out to more other YouTubers, and or not completely free, but I haven't decided that much on marketing honestly, you know. But good SEO, also some post on LinkedIn or something can be helped, but or you can also reach out to um, business owners, or something. But I haven't decided, I haven't worked on that, so I cannot share some more really, you know, realistic information with you at the moment. But I think that's the next target, right? First make the app working application, you know, and then next you can work on the how you can market that application. Yeah, definitely. Cloudflare now is getting my more favorite one. So yeah. But like if you want to have like a file storage, look for something else as well. I mean, if you and I don't use that file servers things for the storage on Cloudflare yet, but I think the Cloudflare is good for the security and all with the free subscription, for your application. So whenever you're launching your application, always use a Cloudflare, guys. I mean, I recommend that Cloudflare to use if you're launching your application as a first line of support or first line of a security layer for your application, guys. Okay, as I mentioned, you guys, it's now asking me a public key, so I need to share that. Give me a second. Let's see. I don't want to reveal it everywhere. Okay, so I just share the public key and the API key. So let's see. For file and stuff, do you recommend? Okay, no. I mean, honestly, I'm always like thinking that if you have a experience on something, if you really know about it, then only you can speak about it, you know. And let's not, uh, I mean, not share some information just like if you think about it. I think it's best we can get experience and then we can share information. Okay, action required from your end. That's logo. There is some issues running here, so I will let me fix it. I use Railway Supabase, and for files, I'm gonna use Cloudflare. Hmm. Okay, good. I'm using Cloud Supabase storage for now, as I don't think that this is really. If you have really big storage needed, for example, you have like a video application, AI video, AI video generator or something, you know then you really need a strong video, strong storage, by the way. Not strong storage, I mean really big storage, right? And then you cannot just use Firebase or something, which can cost you a lot of money. You need a really good solution for that. We can just ask ChatGPT, which is the best platform, oh man, for creating for AI video maker app or platform to use storage. Something, let's see. Okay, so it's also suggesting a cloud, guys. Cloudflare AI video SaaS generated videos use uploads. Best overall. Okay, Amazon S3 large enterprise heavy system. Most mature one. Mm. But it's paid one, I think, as well. 0.015 per GB. Mm. It's good, man. It's good. I think Cloudflare also one of the good option then. And one thing is that why didn't share sync relation. Okay. Manual. If I say Netflix. Say no, it's not loading the logo. It should it should load the logo as well, right? If I write the name, it should load the logo. This is not happening when you're actually building an application like a web application. It's a bit easy while you're building a web application, but like when mobile application, I don't know what's going wrong always. The logo, it's loading. Aspirator brands, brand names. So please check and fix. And also when user creating a new subscription and add brand name, it should sync here and saved as well for that branch. So not every time when Hey, hi. KDMS, okay. Sake. How you have earned till now? Bro, I haven't earned anything yet. I already launched one platform called shipithq.com, and this is recently I launched it. And I'm also working on two platforms. One is the website builder, and another is AI subscription manager mobile application. So I think, but in future, I mean, we recently started working on this ones. So I will share, bro. I wanted to ask two questions. One for authentication, which one should I use? Is anti-gravity 6A subscription good enough like Terra or Sonnet? Bro, honestly, for authentication, I'm always using Supabase, so I will recommend that. I don't know about any other ones. I also not recommend Firebase, but I will recommend the Supabase, which is I have experience. And the okay subscription good 6K, bro. I think the anti-gravity is not the subscription. One thing, anti-gravity, you will get the Google. You need to get a Google AI Pro subscription. That's also you will get like a Gemini Pro models and all. But I will not recommend that. I will recommend now you're getting like with this free Geo SIM as well if you're in India, for 1 year free subscription only for with that together with your recharge. But if you get that, use it. But if you're but they don't, I mean, I don't like that Gemini models as well, man. There's not that much for the web application coding. And if you I will recommend the Claude Code. Claude Code is I think those models I'm always using, and I'm building everything with those models, so I can tell you more about that. Yeah, bro, I'm full-time working, so yeah, that I can say. And this is something I'm trying to helping people and through support and to motivate, and not just to something make something, you know. Okay, so every time brands all that. Yeah, I'm IT engineer, bro. I'm not a software developer. Save as well as that brand. Seeing real time save as well as for that brands. So not every time when user type brand is should use from um, saved icons, logos, storage instead of calling every time new API call. So please implement this. Please fix this. Because I added a API logo API, so instead of N, it will showing you guys a Netflix logo. So that's something I'm adding right now. As you can see, I'm already working on a website builder. Um, and on the side, I'm also working on a mobile application builder. Hey, hi. Hey, hi, Data. Welcome back to stream, bro. Arush, Arush bhai, night grind. Nice to see it. I got 5 agents running and your YouTube stream as well. Hope you're having fun. Yeah, bro, I'm also having fun. How are you, man? How are you? How are you doing? Also, what exactly you're building, bro? Are you building something? Yeah, bro. Why not? Why should I not remove you? No, it's not a startup, by the way, guys. It's not something startup. This is yeah, just I'm trying to build it and then trying to ship it and also trying to share my journey, how I'm building this, how you can also build and how you can also ship, how you can also earn something from these platforms, or not this platform but like something what you can build and what you can also launch it with in the world, to the public. And by the way, this idea is a website builder. As you can see, this is a website builder, and which you can build a website, different type of website with this website builder. And not just that, also you can get like a complete backend studio, backend admin panel for that, you can manage that website. If you have a restaurant website, for example, you're building a restaurant website, you also get like a complete restaurant management system in the backend, like a CMS. And same for like a e-commerce website, you also get something for e-commerce. So if you're sending a big messages, it will be automatically deleted, guys. So please refrain to yourself to saying the swing messages, guys. Ah, I'm good. Hi, then bhai. I'm good, bro. How are you doing, bro? I'm building something for my niche. Uh, it's a social infrastructure for gamers. Looking for group tools, discover sports gamers near you. Hardcore esports and along those lines will push soon to production. Good man, good. Keep it working on, man. Keep it working on. And if you want, you can also launch your application on shipithq.com. Once you build your application, you can also launch it on Shipit. Um, that other people also launching. This is I build this Shipit platform, guys. As you can see, we already have 35 products since we launched, I think, 1 week or 1.5 week now. And yeah, so we are growing slowly, but we are growing now. And then I think possibly, and I'm also going to start a paid promotion for this platform. So don't forget to launch your platform and don't forget to get the free promotion and review and you know something like that. It's kind of like a product hunt, but product hunt only good for, I mean, best for the launch. You can launch a platform, get a good traffic and all. But I think this is I'm building, so not just for a launch, but also can help you to grow your platform later on. So I'm still working on this platform in the other side, and this is already live and people already using it. So feel free to use it as well, guys, and launch your product on the platform. As you can see, a lot of people using it. So it's gonna grow slowly, but yeah, it will grow soon. So don't forget to launch your platform on Ship It. All product, platform, game, whatever you're building, app, how it will help me in my journey. I'm close to beta launch. Bro, definitely it can help you as well to get like a feedback from people and all. And also I'm going to launch my start the paid promotion for this paid marketing campaign for this platform. So then we will definitely gonna receive a lot of traffic in upcoming weeks. So that's why and this is free now, so I'm not charging anything. So you can also launch your product on this one. Did you reset the products? What does mean? Hey, hi, Cosmo. What exactly mean reset the product? Ah, okay, this is also done. Mm, I still cannot drag and drop. Logo cloud. What is logo cloud? It's not happening like what I want. But anyway, catching. Reset means like you mean that I'm removing the products? So guys, um, as you can see, this is we just saying the real logos of the subscription. As you can see for Netflix, it's a real logo we synced, and for Duolingo, it's a real logos as well, and same for all the brands. Oh, Sanket, Akash bhai, I'm a marketer just for your information, Meta. So you're a marketing expert, by the way, Sanket. Then I think we can chat about it, how we can do planning or more. Because I also mentioned to my viewers and subscriber earlier when I'm going to complete my 1,000 subscriber, I'm going to actually start bringing some people to the channel as well, not just for myself, but also to my viewers and everyone. So that guys, you can also get some nice content about how we can market, how we can do Google ads, how we can do Meta ads or Amazon ads or something more. And the free marketing methods, paid marketing methods, also web developers, digital marketers, or app developer. So I think this is the time I have to think about it. But yeah, as you can see, this is we added the real logos, guys. This gives you a really nice feeling, by the way, I think, to the app. Um, the setting, what is there in setting? Renewal reminders, local for storage. Okay, so load sample subscription. This is a for just for a sample for a test. Um, and you can also talk to AI. I also added AI, but now it's not getting some like responses. We're getting a temporary unavailable, so I have to fix this problem as well. Hmm. Is this something it's not working or what exactly? Let me fix this AI problem as well. Then our app is almost ready, and then we're gonna check some of the basic stuff, and then AI assistance is not working and giving the error. Yeah, assistant temporary unavailable. Oh, oh, oh. AI assistant stunt is temporary unavailable. Please try again. So fix this. Is it something with the API key or what? I want to know about that issue, right? Is it something? But yeah, I can see here if I'm trying to use that environment variable updated now dev server. If you could just type hi, where I can see it should be showing me like a terminal, right? No, it's not a terminal. Sanket but I'm expert in paid ads. I'm running my agency since last 6 years. Okay, bro. But I'm expert in paid ads. Don't know about other aspects of marketing. Oh, okay, you're running all the paid campaigns on Meta and all this, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, that's also good. Good to hear, man. That we also have one of the marketing experts. Jane Joe. Bro, what are you building? Bro, I'm building the website builder. As you can see, this is the website builder I'm building right now, where you can build the websites. With that, whenever user make any changes, or it means, yeah. So let me just give this one. Don't change anything else. Yeah, I can just put it for auto. Let's key. Wait a sec. I'm building a website builder, bro. And also I'm building a mobile application, as you can see, for Android application, for AI subscription manager or finance manager, something you can call. But this is more focused on the subscription. Which color theme is gonna be more nice for this application? I have ideas for various studios. We have to change a little bit the theme as well. This is the current. This is how app is look like now. But can you generate best premium UI for this UI image of this, so I can use this one and think differently about color UI UX. Let me try to create one image of this. Now it's generating its own image of a application, and then let's see. Yeah, I'm using a Cloud Code, bro. That's true. I'm using a Cloud Code instead of anti-gravity. No, no, not a Codex Cloud Code. I'm using ChatGPT only for brainstorming and planning, guys, not something else. I'm always use Cloud Code, and for this one, I'm using Gemini 3.7 with the Google AI Pro subscription, which is inside of AI Studio. So you can also build your mobile applications inside of that. Okay, so this is created this one. Mm-hmm. Okay, so spending by category. But this looks really, really busy. I mean, this should be not too, looks really busy. How can I say crowded? Yeah, crowded. Yeah, I'm using a subscription, bro, not a API. This annual spend. So as you can see, this one and this one. Okay, this nice. This is just update this area as well. And also notification icon here and add a settings icon. Where is the settings icon then? Hmm. And 7 active. Hmm. What we can remove from this switch for designing purpose. Mm, this looks too crowded. Is just give Codex prompt. The UI looks too noisy. Make it easy on eyes. Yeah, yeah. Crowded and noisy. So make it user friendly and easy on eyes. Don't use a UI. You spend more credits. No, I already have the subscription, so I'm not. I'm first time designing with the cloud, with the ChatGPT, and then actually then I'm gonna ask my AI to update that one. Okay. No, bro. Why it's change? Bro, this is the real AI model. I don't want that. For example, I said hi. Now it's using AI, but I think it's using a real different model. Okay, this is too bright. Yes, bro. Yes, yes. Hi, coding guy. Welcome back to stream, bro. This is too bright, guys. I think, right? So, but it looks little bit nice, not too noisy now. Uh, as compared to the previous one. Let me go back. As compared to this one, this is looks too noisy, but this looks good. Upcoming renewal, this one. What is different is this one? Okay. Upcoming renewals, AI inside, and mm, okay. So, but I think I want have more, improve it more. Let's see what can be built if I said improve it more. And right now it's using my own one router. Give me a second, guys. Because I told you it's gonna use the real API. Man, activity logs. Okay, just complete the generation. Uh, okay, what's the difference between this and this? Nothing change. Okay, I didn't see much changes on this one. It just changed the color. Jingoy, can you explain your app properly? What is for? What is it does? Bro, this app is I'm building this for like you can manage your subscriptions. You have like a AI subscription. You have any free trials. You have any other app subscription, or in future you can also, if you have any APIs or something, any just good for the renewals, and you can manage your renewals and all the stuff, but not something directly from the app, but it can remind you, okay, how much you are spending, how much you can save, and so on so forth. I think this is just the colors things. Okay, I think I like this. Okay, just added more logos. Hmm. Okay, let me just use this one. Renewal soon. Yeah, this is giving it, but like really star is coming, right? Not like a proper one. We will work on this AI stuff later on. Let's not spend much time on that initially. Take this as inspiration and implement this UI and overall if missing in this app. Also add light and dark theme option. Okay, in settings as well. Screen. Okay, so let's see if we can change that, because I want to change a little bit about that. Okay, so now we are using this data, but I'm also going to use like a Supabase, by the way. And this is still going on. Okay, this is done. Okay, this is not going to reload on every edit. Let's try that. If that's already fixed it. Where's the music? So for example, if I change from this to this, oh, it doesn't load it, by the way. And also start. Yeah, it stays saved, you know. So it's like real time now. Whatever we are doing, it's real time. So that's good thing for us. But what we found yesterday in Rebel, we want to actually implement that. But let's see more. For inspiration, site builder. I think this is also good for us. Yesterday I mentioned about this because I only like the left panel, not everything. So okay, what I can do, I will just go to okay, I only want to switch left panel from this attach snap edge set builder. So sure how this work site. So please give to implement this in website. And also before that, it's good to I can share what I have already here Otherwise it should not make any mistakes, right? So I can say, okay, this is my builder. Keep chatting here. Let's create, let it create a complete prompt for that. Okay, still is editing now. What's this? Is it doing it or not? Something. Okay, this is still working on. I know there's a multiple stuff is going on, guys, so sorry for that. Oh, something goes wrong with this. Send. Keep chatting here. Why it's taking too much of time? It's not like that. It's really fast normally. Something is wrong with this. Let me just type one more time. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the stream, guys. Okay, this is still working. And the next one is that we're gonna actually I'm going to actually add a Supabase database for this, but the database thing I'm gonna do it in the last, not something now. First, I'm fixing some issues. As you can see, I'm already added the logos, so it's always saying the real logos. If I'm gonna add here, this is something taking time. New chat. Man. Okay, I also need a image of this. Okay, let me go. Okay, now finally start generating it, because when I start working on the new tab, yeah, now it's going to have it complete prompt. Then I'm gonna give complete prompt to that. This is a peak time in America for AI users. Yeah, bro. Because it's a lot of cost saving. So that's something people actually, that's why people really want to use AI nowadays. It's big cost savings. Okay, so let me just give it to it. Make a plan. Max. Oh, it will just gonna so quick. Okay, this is going on. This is completed. Let's try. What exactly is changed now? Okay, so I can see that it's implemented what we are actually built with this one as compared to this one. It's created like that. Settings also add dark light mode for the application, so we also have a light mode and dark mode and system mode. And we have to definitely remove some of the stuff because of so as you can see, if we ask this will also build a similar, almost similar the UI of it. So added an extra space here. Why we added that? So what if I just delete this one? It will drop the graph if I delete this one as well. The graph will be also going down or no? And how many subscription I have? Okay, now it means the graph is not real, and now I don't have any subscriptions, and this is really we need to remove some more stuff. AI remove from the screen. Improve from home screen. Text next to, or I can remove it myself. AI powered subscription manager, right? AI powered subscription manager. AI powered subscription. Oh, anyway, let's not spend that time. Next. Hey. Okay, anyway, just say it. Text AI powered subscription manager. What else we can remove? Okay, give me a second. Most of the specs is already built in our navigator admitter panel. Site header, page 3 with counts, row events, housing, show hide, section full on door. Okay. Page now. Okay, the specs wants this decouple. Click chair on to preview another page section without leaving the page. You're editing build this. Gets its own expand, collapse, state independent. Okay. Leave as is, expand it tied with active pages. No. Inline button, switch to drop down menu. Specs shows that sections for actions, duplicate, hide, move up, down, and delete. Behind the hover trigger menu already has all this. Inline buttons also. I say okay. Shape interaction, not a gap. Don't touch already working UI just to visually match the reference inline or more discoverable. No extra click. Replace the inline action row with the hover elevated menu. Change the reference screenshot visual pattern. Yeah. Replace the emojis with the theme style icons. Leave emojis, no, replace it. Skip all three. UI for scale, that can happen. State that can happen. Don't the bill on the loading error pattern. More before deciding. Discuss this three individually. Then accepting the recommendation outline. Builder stay fixed with. Don't make the one panel responsive. Okay, so a lot of decision making I have to do, right? So let's go back to this one. Why this application is closed. Okay, it's loaded all the old data, guys. So don't worry about that because we have a dummy data right now. Text. What else? Sync real time graph as per the monthly recurring cost. Graph story sync real time. Cost changed. What else we can do? View calendar 20, 70, 90, 29, 23. Okay, this looks good. This is too much of text. AI Insight have too much of text. So change, improve that, and minimum is the text to only short text. And what else we can do? I think that's more enough, right? So let's make these changes first, and then we will check later on. I also want to see about the where is my open router, bro? Open router still doesn't calling any APIs. I don't know what's happening here. Sidecar builder. Logs. I don't see any logs or activities happening. So it's not calling yet the real API. I'm currently working on third model for revenue now. Nowadays, but cloud models we're working really bad, don't know why. Which model you're using from cloud? Vivek Parmar. Hey, hi Vivek bhai. Welcome to the stream, bro. Bro, I'm building a website builder. As you can see, this is a website builder I'm building right now. And that's my core project. I already built the shipit.com, shipithq.com, where you can launch your product. Something like a product hunt platform. I already launched this platform, so you can also launch your product on this. And I'm building the website builder. Also together, I'm also building a AI powered subscription manager, something like that, which can manage all the subscription together and manage the cost and everything in the one go. Opus 5. Hi, and I'm gonna launch this application on Play Store. Thank you, bro. And guys, if you new to the stream and if you're enjoying my stream and if you think that something is I'm doing nice, so I love if you can also like guys like the stream and subscribe to the channel and join my journey, guys. Welcome, everyone. I know my initially my voice is really bit really looks sad or something. It's not, guys. It's not. I'm just really tired from my office as well, our office work. So that's my voice is like that little bit. So sorry for that, guys. If I'm really speaking like a weak person or something, I'm not, guys. So bro, if I want trending news which gets saves my shits, what I need to do? Bro, if I want trending news which gets saved in my sheet, you can use Google API. I think you can use Google API and Google News, and you can use that. I think that's something easy for you. As you can see, you also have there is no to change default currency. I think we should change that. Oh yeah, also we need to. Oh yeah, this is done. Add welcome, add onboarding flow, add different, add all currency, all no, add top 5 currency, or I can just add all currency, doesn't matter. See from settings. What else we can do? Okay, this is still working on. Let us keep it working. It's working now. Not a CLI, bro. You can use a ChatGPT. Don't use a cloud for something like a resume. Resume should be really simple. Hmm. If I just go to settings, dark, and if I deleted something, oh, what happened? It's internal error. That's why it's not changed anything. Check a Robbie resume once you will get an idea. No, I will not checking that, guys. Sorry, but yeah, only I'm doing all this exercise of checking review and everything on on only on weekends, guys. Not now. Now only I'm focusing on projects because I know that. Uh, okay. So sorry about that, bro. Don't please. Something something is issues. Sorry, guys. Don't hate me for this, but I'm really targeting on something which I'm really want to achieve, and for that I want to keep it focused on projects. Otherwise, we'll be always distracted. So I'm trying to really focus, guys. Sorry if you know, but we're gonna cover that everything on weekend, guys. So if you can join weekends, so we will have that one. I don't know what's wrong with this. Is this something already utilize all the tokens or something? No. Why we getting errors now? Thank you, man. Thank you for understanding, bro. Really appreciate. Something is wrong. Let's do retry one more time. Otherwise, we can refresh it and we can reload it again. No, this still there is an error. We can just open our app one more time and let's see if we can just upload it. Something is cancelled. It looks like I use all my tokens or what? Let me try to change model to Pro. Where is 3.1 Pro preview? We try to use the preview model. This is hacking. What the? Why it's saying hacking, man? What exactly is Google doing it, bro? This is hacking. Something is with that model, man. That model stop responding. So Gemini 3.7 stop responding. I don't know what's the error, what's the issue, so, but stop responding. So I'm gonna use the 3.1 Pro model. Continuing on my application. So as you can see, the goal for today is that website builder is our goal as well, which is a website builder. Yeah, we can call SaaS, and the second one is that mobile app. You will be amazed with the website. I want to know from the experts, so I ask. Okay. I will check later on, man, but not now. Not now. Okay, so was okay. Still checking, verifying the changes, and let's see. I'm still waiting for it. Two things I'm right now really focusing on, guys. I'm trying to really focus. Welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome everyone to the stream. And if you're new to the stream, I love if you can like the stream and subscribe to channel if you want to join my journey, guys. Yeah, guys. Someone from chat can also check that what Vivek wants to check. So if someone can chat also can check, that's also fine, right? For Vivek, awake or Vivek, I don't know. Yeah, Tilro is open source, bro. I like it, bro. It's really good for like a concentration of and I hope they can introduce like a free music so I can listen music as well while working. Bro, as you can see, I'm building website builder. That's a SaaS, and I'm also building AI subscription manager mobile app. So as you can see, this is a website builder. Yeah, it's fucking up a lot, man. Now it's still working, so we're looking at like a little bit different. And another is like app. Okay, this looks like already fixed. Okay, through remove that. And mm, let me try to delete one of it. Subscriptions, and let's delete Duolingo. Duolingo delete, Spotify delete, fitness first delete, and then home. Is it dropped or not? The Sparkline. Chat is a monthly recurring card. It's now dynamic. It calculates and renders new geometric paths automatically based on the changes your monthly recurring total active subscription counts. Okay, so let me delete more as well because I want to actually check if the graph is dropping as well because no notification. So and there is also option guys here. You can also have a light mode, so you can also check everything in a light mode. Uh, add all currency settings. While we're checking, we can also keep working on it as well. But when you're actually looking into the mobile phone, the application is a little bit look different. Um, Now it's a little bit look like blurry, but it's not that. It's something the problem have with the Google emulator, Android emulator. It's not rendering properly, I guess. Is it look clear to you guys as well? What do you think, guys? This AI subscription manager, it is really good idea. But because I want to actually publish this on my Play Store account. What is that? Define threshold. Example green if monthly total less than 30. Yellow less than 30 to 50. And red. Okay, okay. Threshold. For threshold for what? For you mean for graph? You mean for graph by the way? Because I want to actually keep the graph up to date as per. Oh, okay, okay. Let me just check settings as well for Euro. No, there is no other option. Is it completed or not? There's a list of all globally available currencies instead of being limited to just top 7. It's dynamically reads all ISO currency codes available on the system, giving you access to all local currencies when selecting your default currency preference. No, but it's not allowing me, bro. No, it's nothing happen when I just click on currency. Nothing happen when I on default currency when I try to change currency to select another currency. Oh, yeah, let's see. Let's fix the issue one by one. Let's not you know, but I need to fix. I mean, this also looks really, you know, yeah, like AI generated stuff. I mean, it's reduced on actually text, by the way. Before it's really a lot of text. Now it's reduced the text by something like one liner, and looks good as well. It's not too bad. Um, and either way, I also want to install it on my phone, but not now. Once I'll be done with the Supabase as well, I will. I'm completely using Google AI Studio, bro. So whatever Google AI Studio wants to use, I'm using that. But for the backend, I can say I'm gonna use a Supabase. Um, Also as you can see, the logos are the reals, right? So real logo I'm getting at. So I'm using a logo API where you can get the real logo sync on your application, which you can give like a premium fill for the application. I'm also using a AI from Open Router, AI model from Open Router for that, for the AI feature for now. And think that's it. I'm not using GitHub for that. I'm using one of the logo service, logo API, logo.dev. So I'm using this one for logo. And for their pricing for free one, community one, I'm doing this. So I think this is helping me for my application. I already used it before as well. It's really helpful. But if GitHub also, like on GitHub also there is something, but this is more like a more official, right? Okay, so accuracy in progress. Heading flow, we need to check. Tell me that I will use outside of your sandbox. When you download this code, it will be have a lot of bugs. Definitely, bro, because that's we're gonna check and we're gonna fix it as well through AI. Honestly, uh, tell me that I will use outside of your sandbox. Ah, okay, okay, okay. You want me to tell AI for that? Oh, okay, okay, okay. That's a good one. Good line, man. Ah, okay, okay, okay. What I can do, I will just write it down for this one as well and for this one as well. Good, good one. No worries. Thank you for your suggestion, bro. See, this is how we are helping each other, right? And make it improve with your each other experience. So, is it done? Mm, 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 mm. Ah, now we get like a big currency one. Let's see. Let's check the INR. Where is INR? Where is INR? GHI. Okay, so now it's load the INR as well. So you can see there's INR for Indian currency. Okay, to search type search. Select. Yeah. So let us make it more simpler, right? Also mention like make a cross-platform apps means write code in a way so later I can build iOS app from the same code too. I don't know. I mean, if this can do that as well. I mean, Gemini can do that as well. I don't know. Okay, what else? This is also done. done. From and end-to-end testing, fix some UIs. This is done. I don't want to change anything more on UI more. Fix AI response. This needs to be fixed. Okay, we need a Supabase for this now. Welcome to the stream, guys. Give me a second. Let me just log into my Supabase. And because I'm going to connect the real database to this application. Welcome to the stream, guys. If you want to join my journey, I'll if you can like the stream and subscribe to the channel. That's up to you guys. Suit plot. Okay. So let me just okay, so I have to when you have okay default country. Let me reopen my application one more time. Settings, INR. Oh, we can search as well. GBP. Okay, can just GBP. Okay, it's used the GBP, so that's good. We can now for change back to INR. I think also the currency can be also changed through if you write a country name. Also, it's work like that, but that's fine. So we fixed that as well. And what can we do more? I mean, I still want to check this one. By the way, the graph is it's changing as well, you know. So if you can see, if I just delete everything, graph is going back to the curve, but why? It should be equal line, right? Like the if the currency pick in settings applied everywhere in the app by default. Yeah, it's applied already. Because if we go to add a subscription manually, as you can see, the currency is set as INR. So it's already there. It's already applied to the whole. For example, I can add like Cloud Pro. Bro, I'm a vibe coder, bro. I'm not a software developer, guys. I want to be really honest with you. But I'm doing this since last 2 years, so I have some good experience with that. And I already built some application, and the applications are now live, and people are using it. Add option where it auto picks subscription from emails. Hmm. But how you can sync that email thing, right? I mean, option where it's auto pick subscription from emails. But for that, do we need to grant the access to email, right? Is it something we need to grant access to email then? Gmail hey option. I think so. Hmm. But people will trust on this then, because if we let me check with this. What are the ways to sync the subscription? data automatically on this app, for example, from emails and any other options. The code or just the cloud do things if something break. Bro, I'm always using Cloud Code and for that, so yes, bro. Which application did you build? I built this one, Ship It, and this is right now live. So you guys can also launch your product on Ship It, and already as you can see, 35 products already live on this Ship It, and we are still growing on that as well. So if you want, you can. This is like a kind of like a product hunt platform. So you guys can also check. People who use your subscription manager will be lazy people mostly. Man, I'm one of it. I'm one of them. So I think this is I'm gonna be the my first user of my application. Honestly, trust me. And I'm gonna also make like a web version, like a web app of this application as well, not just like a mobile app, but also like a web app. For a text stack, can show you. I use a Next.js. I use a PostgreSQL. I also Supabase, but I gave this because I have my choices. I am using Supabase with the PostgreSQL. I'm using React and Next.js. That's my choices. Also, ShatC and UI. I'm using that. Also, yeah, something I also have some my choices with my experience. You can ask your problem. But guys, if you want, you can also launch your product on Ship It. It's up to you guys. And yeah. Um, okay. Okay, this is done, looks like. Okay, but let me a little bit focus on this one for now. And yeah, let me check what AI is saying that about this. Where do I get the cheap or free subdomains for cold mailing mailboxes? I think GoDaddy as well. Did you check about not free? I think with free, right? You will get a free subdomain. If you have a domain, you can get free subdomain from a GoDaddy. What is the name? Yeah, because we recently launched it, so you have to write like a shipithq.com, then you will get it, guys. If you want, I can also share it in this chat, so you can also check it out. Um, because we haven't done any marketing so far, but I'm gonna do like a paid marketing for this one. I'm gonna start a paid promotion for Ship It soon, and then you can also see more like not yet complete SEO as well, and we are working on that. This is called Ship It, and but the website called is shipithq.com. We are still working on it. I mean, this is a launch, but SEO and more marketing stuff still we're working on. Is there a full time or we are? No, I'm a complete. I'm not. This is not my full time, bro. I'm full time working. It's just a side thing. I'm always thinking to help someone and trying to motivate people as well, so they can also start something by their own as well. Help you out initial organic marketing for free, mate. You'll like the grind. Okay. Thank you, man. I really appreciate. No, no, don't offer me guys anything for free because nothing is for free in this world, guys. And if someone is going to do something, help me. I will. But I don't. I will. I'm not looking for anyone yet. So and guys, don't not something not free, guys. Always we have to put our energy for that, how to put our time. So nothing is free, guys. Guy who created Comparify, he posted zero marketing budget. He got good response. Yeah, possibly. I haven't posted much. I'm really busy with a lot of stuff, guys. I don't much have much time as well for marketing and all, for posting, for regular posting on a social media and all. I think I should go to find one of the nice social media manager or something. Right now, I'm building a AI subscription or a subscription manager through AI, which can be app and also website builder. As you can see, this is our regular work, and this is something side project. I'm gonna launch it on Play Store, calendar, and also AI chat. As you can see, this also have light mode. You can so you get the light mode for that matter. I like downloads. Oh, nice. Nice. Okay, so let's continue on this one. What is pending for this? Now we want to have how we can do automatic cancellation detection, right? So Gmail Outlook scanning. I really like it. This is for Subpilot. Connect Gmail, then Subpilot searches for subscription related emails such as your subscription, your payment issue, renewal, your plan, membership, subscription renew, free trial. The Gmail API support authorized mailbox access to mail message searches using Gmail query. So you can search targeted message rather than downloading entire mailbox. Okay, so I think that's the option we can use for Gmail too, because normally everyone have in Gmail their subscription emails and all, right? So that we can do. Uh, and what else? Bank card transaction syncing, unlimited version. This is really critical. I don't want to have like any real bank transaction or something like that. Receipt screenshot, that we already have. Receipt screenshot. Late night grind is real. Yeah, man. Thank you. CSV bank statement. Mm, yeah, you can also have, but this is not something really. But yeah, we can have this option as well. Notification and SMS scanning. Your card was charged 30 by. Okay. For SMS scanning, we can also grant access to SMS application, and then it's also load all the SMS, whatever related to subscription. Whenever you got charged something, yeah. Do you generate any revenue? And recently I launched the Ship It, this platform. So in soon we will gonna generate, but this is the main project called website builder where you can build the website as well, you know, and that's something gonna be a big project for me. Um, so yeah, so this we're gonna actually looking for this. Yeah, message access, access possibly the option, but also like Google Gmail also the option. So if we can, but I think we need a authentication for that. So I think first how much to spend? Yeah, I have a Cloud Pro subscription, bro. So I'm using always Cloud Pro subscription for that. So we have a two option for get to know about the that email and SMS. So I'm gonna try that email and SMS. But for email, we don't need to have a Supabase for so we have authentication in place. So I want to use Supabase as database and authentication. Also, okay, first let's get the Supabase in place. Um, Yeah, it's took me like almost like a week, I guess, to complete that. But also another week, another like another week to complete the testing, fixing the issues, and setting up everything, the backend and all, and also testing, security test, and a lot of things, And yeah, so almost I can say more like a 2 weeks. Why? Because of I'm always actually doing everything on stream, right? I'm not working on ship it offline. So that's why it's taking too much of time because I'm also talking to people all the time, and that's also not giving me much time to work on that. So that's why it took me 2 weeks. But normally people also finish a product in 1 week or 2 days or 3 days. So better to spend more time, and but you can make more nice project as well. Hi legend, how much you earn? Bro, nothing, bro. This is just recently we launched one platform, and we are working on another platform, which is the big. This is the main product, website builder, and another app I'm also gonna launch on Play Store for AI subscription manager. As you can see, it's already almost working, and now we're gonna move into the next step, database and authentication. So implement it. Let me know if need anything from my end. Okay, so bro, I'm a IT graduate, but also I have more than 10 years of experience in IT, infrastructure, cloud, and everything, cloud security, and you know, support, everything, man. Yeah, man. Thank you, man. And I think that's something is my target, guys, to make it more productive stream for all the people, because that's something is my target. If you guys also learning or something you're understanding or it's helping you somehow to just motivate it as well, and if I'm doing something right, so I'm happy that if you can guys also like the stream and subscribe to the channel, because I stop asking multiple times. I'm just because nowadays I'm really focusing on my work instead of just asking multiple times for guys subscribe to the channel, like the stream. I know if you guys like the stream, if you want to join my journey, you will automatically like the stream and subscribe to this, right? So I stop requesting everyone and stop promoting to subscribe and like. You guys can subscribe and like if you like it. That's all up to you. Okay, let's continue again. So I'm gonna use Supabase database and authentication for this application because I right now I'm only using like a local database, like a locally stored everything. But now I'm gonna actually use a database, real database for that. Do you think developers are still needed to review and write code? Yes, bro. Developers not going anywhere, guys. Even if anyway anything will be there, developers is needed because I'm also leading software development team. I'm leading. This is I'm just doing for my hobby and this to something for the people to they can learn something. But I know nowadays the developer also using a cloud and they're also using cursor and different AI models, but they are not completely using it. They only possibly you have to build something, then they are using to create that block, but they're also reading that code what exactly is there and all, and then they're just verifying, then only they're deploying, not something blindly deploying it. But the vibe coding and the developer is completely different, different thing. It's not the same thing. Vibe coded only can vibe coding with the ais. Without that, without AI they don't know much knowledge about the coding and all. If for example tomorrow all the vibe coding application, all the AI models stops working, all the models start malfunctioning, for some any reason, then vibe coders, whoever, whatever the platform big they build, they fucked up, bro. So best is that the developer, we always need experts who's really know the code and all. So yeah, always I always support that. We always need a coders, guys, not something only vibe coders. But yeah, but coders with also you can collaborate with AI and you can also boost your knowledge. Yeah, AI is also not going anywhere, and now not a developer is also going anywhere. So what do you think, guys? What I mean, all the viewers, from all the viewers, I want to know what do you think if developer is going anywhere? Are they like there will be no developer in next 5 years or next 10 years? Only there will be AI developer. What do you think, guys? Yeah, if I'm bro, honestly, I also have a good developers in my contact. I have some friends as well. They're working. They used to be working with Microsoft and all. So if I'm all growing my platform, I'm gonna hire a developer honestly because I don't want to risk it, you know. So initially it's fine, but when you're growing, you need actually a full stack developer who can literally read it and who can take their ownership because you're building it the big project, and when you have 100 users or 1,000 users, and then we are growing to 10,000 users or 1 lakh users, you need also your developer, right? Because that one mistake can also cost you a lot. So yes, that's something. In the beginning, for like a building MVP or like a getting like a 10, 100 users, you can have like a vibe coded. That's fine. AI can fix the issues. But when you go growing from 100 users to 1,000 users, 10,000 users, and I mean, I'm just sharing that. I'm not saying this is something needed as well. Possibly some vibe coders, they also have like 10,000 users running by them own, you know. But also it's good to if you can also have one developer with you, that's always help, right? Because possibly with that developer with development skill and understanding of that, and also with the using of AI, it can boost your product or it can boost your platforms in the next level instead of you just struggling to add everything by your own. So possibly I will get someone. I have some friends if I need it. Okay, so so this is still editing files. This will gonna take some time, and I'm trying to convert this since long time now, but this is still is going the same way. The editor, what I can change. Um, what? Okay, let me give me a second. Um, as a IT guy yourself, what's your opinion fresher hirings? How should one what? Should one prepare for entry level roles? Honestly, bro, because I'm also hearing from a lot of different development people, software developers who have also 10, 12 experience, 10, 12 of years of experience. And when they're also hiring as well for a fresher, or they're hiring for with a 1 year experience, what they want to know, it's not something everything. It's not something like, oh yeah, you can do React Native, you can do JavaScript, you can do TypeScript, whatever is that. It's more important you have understanding of the concepts, the basic concepts, syntax and all. So something is that really important, not something everything. You will get to know while you're working, you know. And if you know the basic understanding when you're going to become a developer something, then it's really important. But oh, wait a second, what's going here? Okay, I need to run that. Verify verification. Secrets. Okay, I need to update the. Give me a second, guys. Let me update something. Secrets. Publish URL. And secrets. Publish key. अरे यार. Give me a second. I'm just updating something in the secrets or backend. So apply changes. API. Think I need okay, I need an on key secrets on key apply changes. कितने पैसे कमाए नवीद भाई? ब्रो कुछ नहीं, अभी तक शुरू करा है recently. I started working on recently, so not yet something, but I will share once I will earn something. What domain you're working full time as IT guy? Yeah, I'm IT manager man. Brother, आप बता दो ना भाई, बता दो ना, क्या बताओ भाई? मैं प्राप्त हुए कुछ भी. If you guys really want to actually ask something about technical or something about technology or something AI on all, vibe coding, whatever is that, feel free to ask, guys. Bro, I'm building a website builder, as you can see, alone troll. Um, and also I'm building a mobile application as well. Other side, give me a second. No, this is not the one. Okay, so I just added it. SQL editor. Authentication. Yeah, it's enabled now. Okay. Okay, so I think now this is good. Okay. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Okay, this is done now. Okay, now I need actually I want to use Gmail, right? So we have to enable and we have to generate an app and all. Okay, that's will gonna definitely take some time. But for now, we can use the real database as well. So what we're gonna do some more changes. Uh, Done. Add all currency. Done. 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 Onboarding flow. Okay. Okay. Let's me generate the onboarding flow as well for this app. So I will give you a quick demo of this app, guys. Um, as you can see, you can. This is an application where you can have like a home page where you can see all your monthly recurring charges, and yearly and total. This is also getting cut. So I think I should check this. This is upcoming renewals. You can see view calendar as well for the renewals. And if you go back home, you can see upcoming renewals. What are the renewals you have? For example, Spotify, Netlify, Netflix, or Duolingo, whatever is that. This is just an example. And you can also see AI insights. You can also talk to AI about your review and all the stuff. Your subscriptions, what are your subscription? You can see manage all your subscriptions, whatever the subscription you have. You can also add subscription here from you can just describe it. Okay, I'm paying $12 or something, and then can add it automatically. Also, you can scan your receipt or uh, no, bro, I cannot. I don't want to actually discuss on that. I would like more on the this topic, man. Hope that's fine, bro. And manually as well, if you can type, for example, Cloud, Cloud Pro. You can say Cloud Pro and amount, for example, you're paying for like 2,500, right? Or like a 2,000 rupees INR, right? And you can say monthly or like yearly. You can select that as well. Monthly, weekly, quarterly, yearly. So it's like, okay, it's a monthly. And then you can select, okay, what's the next renewal date? The next renewal date will be, it's automatically selected 1 month later, but you can also select manually. And the category, so select the category. There is other category selection or no? We have to change that because there is no, we cannot change category. Okay, so let me fix this. Just add this one in the list. Add more category is for add subscription page. Or I think it can should be auto sync more categories or auto sync the category as per the um, brand name or the product. I can say more product. Then you don't have to find the category and which category and all, right? It can be automatic. Payment method, you can say whatever is that, PayPal or card or something. You can just select that, set that. URL if you have it. This is a free trial or not, you can just add that as well if you want. Oh yeah, it's just gone because of it's completed or something, some changes. Mm, but this is here. I'll delete everything. If you can just delete. I want to have the welcome screen, by the way. I'll get the welcome screen. I was like, okay, remove all demo data and also implement uh, also use real users real data with sign come screens as well. Okay, let's now I'm adding a login screen as well. So now you need to log into the platform. Is this already done? Yes, it's working on it still. So this is we almost I think end of the stream, guys. We are close to end of the stream, and I'm just gonna add the authenticate. I'm already added the authentication, but we haven't enabled that login screen and all. So now you will get the login screen if you're not logged in yet, and you'll get all the real data and all. Because right now I'm just using all the demo data, but that we can change to login to the real data. And then I'm gonna actually try this application on my mobile phone as well. I'm gonna install it on my phone, um, and then I'm gonna try this first my myself, how this handy and all. And then also I'm going to also sync this application with Gmail, because the Gmail have all the subscription emails and all, right? So I think that's the best option for that. And then we can have all the subscription automatically synced, or you can get like, okay, you can fetch with the Gmail, and then you will get like a list of something, and then you can say, okay, you want to add it or you want to ignore it, like a suggestions as well, right? From the sync. So that we can also do with the Gmail, and same with the SMS. So that we can actually going to add in onboarding flow. So whenever you're going to onboard your application, whenever you're going to log into the first time, you'll get an option for manually you can add subscription. You can get second option, you can sync your SMS, you know, or your SMS from your text messages, or you can third option also get like a sync through Gmail. So whatever you already have in Gmail, whatever the active subscription, only active subscription, it can sync, check your Gmail emails, and it can give you some kind of a list. Okay, this is a subscription list, and which you can want to track or which you don't want. So whenever it's you have in you get emails for renewals and all, you always get everything tracked on the application for the subscriptions. So that's I think the overall idea. And yeah, so later on I will also show you how we're gonna like launch this application, and what will be the free feature, what will the premium feature as well with the application. And I'm gonna launch this on a Play Store, because I think I already worked on a lot on this one now. So I think it's the best we can launch this application in next 2 days, because to finish it, because I'm also full-time working, I don't have much time other time to work on this application. So I think let's get this done and let's launch it in I think in 2 days, next 2 to 3 days, because we also have to do some lot of testing and all, right? We cannot just go there and just launch it application, right? So uh, s- I think UI looks little bit now it's better, right? What do you think about the UI of the application, guys? I think this looks nice, right? It's not something really bad. If you can look at the light mode, This is looks good, right? I mean, what I can see, I mean, possibly for you guys, it's a little bit different. Right now, it's a have completely raw data. So we're gonna have like real data soon because I'm already implementing that. So we need to log in. We need to add the data and all. Oh, for a tablet mode, this is a tablet mode. Whatever is that? Can rotate. Is this really rotating? No, man. This emulator is not that great. Oh, why it's saying, oh, this is the tablet mode since long time. Okay, this is the phone mode, mobile mode. Mm, this is rotate. Fuck the rotate. Okay, we just reset this one. Okay, we can just finish this up here and then we can, yeah, I just want to complete this one. Let me just change to tablet because looking at this, it's looking good for the tablet instead of that mobile small screen. At the end, we're gonna install it in mobile, but yeah, and let's complete in the this one as well, the side by side. So right now I'm only working on these two ones, and also I'm going to work. I'm also working on this to fix some of the stuff and all. But yeah, let's see. And by the way, also working on one more thing extension. As you can see, this extension it's looked a little bit different, man, on the websites. Yeah, this needs to be fixed. Some of the stuff. Privacy extension, which can hide your email ID and all the stuff, credit card, email ID, and all. Ah, and oh man, my back it's really hurting. I think I should stop now. Yeah, man, I'm tired, man. That's true. Possibly I will try tomorrow to start early, you know, because I know there's guys, sorry that you have to keep waking up, because of this. Uh, yeah, it's almost finished up. So the music also stops. I think I should have more music now. Is there any game we can play online? Case game. Case me. Pixar movie. Favorite Pokemon? Case majority quiz. Bulbasaur versus Charmander versus Squirtle. Versus Bulbasaur versus Charmander versus Squirtle. Charmander. Can you guess which is the most popular answer? T. I think Charmander. Yes, it's a Charmander. Yes, we are correct. We are correct. It's a Charmander. Still going on. Ivysaur, Charmelon, Waterlay. Man, I don't know all the Pokemons, so I will not gonna play this game. It's the answer. I mean, I don't know that I found one game was other YouTubers they're playing this game. Which was that game? Do you know that the game, guys? We can guess, um, or something like that. Like game. Interactive games. Okay, how much time? Okay, this is still working on it. So work with. Okay, which flag is this one? I think this one Papua New Guinea or Marshall. I think this like stars and everything. I don't know about this one much. I think this Marshall Islands. Oh, I thought about the Papua first. This one, I think El Salvador. Oh, it's a Costa Rica. Fuck shit. Oh, it's a Mexico. It's a Bulgaria or what? It's not a Hungary. It's a Bulgaria. Yeah, it's a Bulgaria, right? I don't know this one. I never saw this flag, man. Mm, Man, this is a really big change, bro. This is taking too much time. So, guys, welcome to the stream. We are building a mobile application, and on the side also I'm playing some kind of a games. So welcome back to stream, guys. I'm building a website builder, and also I'm building a mobile application, for like your AI application, and most are like a subscription manager application. As you can see, manage your subscription, all subscription in one go, and also you can sync your subscription data from Gmail and your SMSs as well. But this is not yet added yet. But as you can see there, you can have like all the subscriptions. You can add a lot of subscription, and I'm gonna launch this app on a Play Store soon. So if you want to try that application in future, and if you want to join my journey, guys, if you also like the stream and subscribe to the channel, guys. महावीर भाई काम तो बढ़िया कर रहे हो आप। पॉडकास्ट क्या पॉडकास्ट करे या फिर करते हो? No, bro, I'm not doing podcast honestly, but not at this moment because I think I want to give some yeah, but I think in future I'm gonna do it with I'm gonna bring some more nice people, experts, experienced people, marketers, and yeah. मैं भी ब्लॉग स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, अभी स्टार्ट ही किया है, 0 सब्सक्राइबर है। है वो हो जाएंगे. What exactly you mean by? मैं आप can I mean क्या कर सकता हूँ कुछ मैं तुम्हारे लिए? So मैं एक काम कर सकता हूँ गौरव भाई. You know, I know that you just mentioned that you started your Gaurav vlogs recently. I can see you have really new channel. You know, June 10th. So I can just share to people, guys. I don't know what is that intro, guys, about this. What video is this? No, it's black, bro. I don't know why it's black, but yeah, try to upload a thumbnail first, bro. It looks really suspicious. So it's look good, bro. And all the best to you, man. All the best to you, man. All the best to you, Mahavir bhai. All the best to you. And if you want, I can also subscribe to your channel. I can become your first subscriber, bro. So happy to support you. Oh, you have one subscriber. Are you still on stream or no? So guys, support him. That I only can say. I'm not promoting. I'm just trying to support him. He just started, and I think I'm the one that subscriber. So yeah, man. Keep it doing, man. Keep it working. All the best to you, man. Okay, so this is all up to date. Let's see. Okay, welcome back. We don't have account, so we need to sign up. This looks really simple, by the way. Later we can add a Google login, so it can be make it more simple. For now, I can just try to make a. No, it's not hiding it. Why not? I can see that because this is inside of the application. So let me guys quickly log into this application. Failed to connect localhost. Okay, we have to fix this problem as well. Let's found the problem, we're gonna fix this. Okay, let's see if this is still going on. No, there is not yet any. Yeah, once we are completing this, then we're gonna stop streaming, guys. So we're going to stop streaming in next 10-15 minutes. And I'm really enjoying a lot, guys. I'm really learning a lot as well from stream. That's for sure. So if you also want to start streaming, guys, do it, guys. Do it. It's really helping you guys to connect with a lot of people and increase your knowledge, increase their knowledge, and supporting each other. So that's really good, guys. This is a good initiative, I guess. Streaming and also motivating more people to they can also start working on the stuff. So if you're new to the stream, if you want to join my journey, guys, I'd love if you can subscribe to channel and like the stream, and then you can join my journey, guys. And you can see because I already launched some of the platform, and as you can see the ship it. This is my platform. I launched it. If you can go to ship it. Bro, I'm building the website builder. Um, I am building a website builder where you can build the websites as well, and with the backend with CMS and everything with admin panel for the website, whatever the type of website will be that. And on the side, I'm building a mobile application as well, uh, which is the AI subscription planner. Not, yeah, I mean, not like a WordPress 100%. Yeah, kind of a Elementor, but like you have like yeah, something we have a front end and you can have a back end, but you need a lot of plugins and everything, right, in WordPress or in any other website builder. But here you didn't need any plugins. Everything is built already in the back end. For example, you want to have like a restaurant website, right? So you just not get like a front end website or something with nice UI, but also you get like a complete backend. So restaurant management system, complete restaurant management application in the backend, where you can also get orders, receive orders, and manage orders and everything. And not just that, also for e-commerce website, if you want to have e-commerce store, you can also get something backend, complete backend for the e-commerce as well. So you can manage your orders and everything. Ordering rows in row left layers panel. This item adding new elements from elements. Bro, please do not send like a big messages, guys. Otherwise, it will be deleted automatically. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you. For the are you testing this? Cool concept, man. Yeah, thank you, thank you. VS Code builds in preview. Chrome Age. So this is gonna be a big. This is not just a. If you already use a Framer or Figma, so it's not just a front end, but also including this is a back end as well. That's something I'm targeting to give a complete solution in one place. And I already launched one platform called Ship It. it's kind of like a it's kind of like a big uh, kind of like a product hunt platform. You know, you can launch your product. Any plan or how you're to sell this project? It's going to be like a one-time subscription or monthly. It's gonna be possibly monthly subscription instead of one time. It's gonna be a one monthly subscription, guys. Actually, I need to do some changes for this. Yeah. Add new secret name and set the value. Right, take your time, do not rush. I'm not actually doing any podcast at the moment, but in future we're gonna do, but not at this moment, bro. Because I'm more focusing on work instead of these all podcast things. So sorry guys if I cannot give any make for gonna market it organic or just by running paid ads. Definitely organic as well. I'm gonna do it organically and also from my YouTube channel and other YouTubers. I'll have some good community support as well from YouTube. And also not just that, also I'm gonna have some contact small businesses as well. And somehow so also paid marketing, definitely that's also one of thing. And also AEO or GEO also I'm gonna do with SEO. So also I'm gonna market with the digital marketing agencies or also website development agencies. They're gonna use my product, so build the websites for different people, different businesses, and they can also complete manage their websites within this platform. So possibly B2B and B2C as well. Both models can work. Yeah, thank you. And guys, if you want to support me and so want to like my stream and want to support and want to join my journey, guys, yeah, guys, you can like the stream and also you can also subscribe to the channel. This is the edit mode. This is a preview mode. These are two different mode. I'm just giving to for more clarity. And where is okay? They're both clean since dev server is already running. Reload. Okay, let's do the reload. Quick reload. And now let's see if that section is working or possibly no. Let me just stop the server and run the server one more time. No, give me add, give me add. No, I haven't created a backend at the moment for the website. No, not yet. It's not yet created the backend, so I cannot show you at the moment. But yeah, but I will show you later on. I mean, if you still on my stream tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I'm gonna start working on the backend side as well. So then I can show you, but not at this moment because we haven't built it yet, that backend. So honestly, I cannot show you anything. I mean, not even the backend at least. What are you looking for? Mm, okay, so as you can see, your platform uses AI to create both the front end and back end, right? No, we are not actually using AI to build this front end and back end because this is already based on the template as well. And you can also use the elements to drag and drop, and you can create this all elements. So we are not using AI to actually create. We have the AI option, but not to write the code inside of a platform. And this is also one of the application I built it actually, guys. As you can see, this is the AI subscription manager. I'm gonna add my AI subscription. For example, I can say Netflix, and amount I can say I have I'm paying like a 12 euros monthly. Okay, entertainment is true. Okay, and just save subscription. I can see, as you can see, 12 euros per month. And I can also add more subscriptions. Say, okay, Netflix, and what else I can add? Cloud Pro. I'm paying like a 21.50 per monthly. I can say, yeah, I need to change the category system. It's not entertainment. You can see now it's increasing monthly. And what else I have? ChatGPT Go. I'm paying like a 8 euro per month, and I just added this one. So what else I have? Gemini. uh, Google, can say, right? Google AI Pro. I'm paying like a $5 per month, €5 per month. Ad subscription. What else I have? I also have Google, Gemini, and all cloud. What else I have? NS Rail. No, they don't have this one here. NS Go. No. Oh yeah, you can also pay for GoDaddy. You can also add a GoDaddy one, like if you're paying for like a monthly, yearly domain, right? You can also add that domain. So for example, this is like my monthly cost, 46 euros a month. And when you actually convert it into INR, it should be converted automatically when you change the currency. But yeah, so and you can also use AI chat. For example, is this working or not yet? Say hi. Okay, active subscription monthly cost 46. Yeah, we still have to fix some of things in AI. Okay, so this is the application I already built. Uh, I still have some using old data, not like LX. Not I'm not LX, right? Should we use the real data? So this some stuff has to be fixed on this one as well. And I'm still working on this application, this website builder. Um, yeah, this is not it fixed that problem which I was thinking it's fixed. No, it's not allowed still. Yeah, it's through Supabase. I'm using backend for Supabase. But I understand what your point. I'm using Supabase for the complete backend because this is not something like a core developer. You need to develop. You need to write all the database, create a database, and run query and everything. This can be everything done database less. I cannot say database less or something like that, but more like you don't have to manage anything manually. Everything on Supabase, which is in the backend, core backend, and you can see use like a complete admin panel or CMS for every application. So you don't need to actually do any database stuff. But possibly this is just a start, guys. So I'm you know adding or improvising as well a lot because it's a really big project. So it's not something gonna fix in a one day, right? Or complete in a one day or one week. It's gonna take some time. So it's already 12 a.m. in the night here. So I'm gonna stop working on the projects and there's an app as well. We're gonna launch this app in some upcoming days. So I'm just gonna stop everything because it's already late for me and I'm going back as well. I'm going offline, guys, in next 2 minutes. So Vivek, how much do you make? Not yet much, bro. I'm but once since I'll only launch one platform recently, which is like which is not my core project, but I'm gonna work on. I'm still working on my site builder. Once I have my website builder, then I will show you how much I earn or something. Nerd, where from? Bro, I'm from India, but I lives in Netherlands. So, guys, thank you for your time today, and hope you also enjoy the stream. Man, I just got hurt by my finger. I just hit it on the table, man. Okay. Anyway, so thank you guys, and see you tomorrow again. And if you want to join my stream, if you want to see me tomorrow again, and you want to join my journey, I love if you can like the stream and subscribe to the channel. And see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night. Good night. Good night, everyone. Good night, guys.